Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fingerprint option not available on your laptop. So if you have a working fingerprint sensor on your laptop and telling you that option is currently not available, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily fix the issue. So firstly, let's close this and go to our device manager. So click on Windows key and S to open your Windows search, and you can also use your mouse cursor to open it also. Then search for device manager. So when you search for device manager, you are going to be seeing a driver called Biometrics, like the file Biometrics, but I can't see anything here because I don't have the driver installed. So if you can see the driver Biometrics on your, just do the figure by reinstalling it or refreshing it. It's going to work. But if you don't have it, I'm going to show you how to get it there. So firstly, head over to your browser. Okay, so on my browser now, I'm using an HP laptop. So depending on the type of laptop you are using, so you just type the laptop name and then list of drivers at the front. So for example, I'll just type HP drivers, HP drivers. So it's going to take me to HP's official website. Click on the very first site. So if you're using a Lenovo or a Dell laptop, then you also type it there like that. Then, for example, now we are getting the software for the laptop, so we'll just click on laptop. Then, to ask for the name of your laptop, you just input the name of your laptop. Let me input the name of mine here, like to. Okay, now so I'm on the page for software and drivers for my laptop. So now we have to identify our OS depending on the OS you're using. So if you're using Windows 7, select Windows 7. If you're using 8, you click on 8. If you're using 10, you click on 10. And if you're using Windows 11, you click on 10. If you don't see the option of Windows 11, you just click on 10. Select your operating system version. I'm okay, then from okay now. So um fingerprint sorry, right? Going to be up. Let's move up. As you can see now, this is the fingerprint driver. It's going to be downloading. Let's download it too. Okay, it's done downloading now, so just install it. Then you agree to the terms and conditions. Then the installation should be done in few seconds. So the installation is done like that now. So let's restart laptop. So I'm going to be restarting my laptop in order for me to see the driver on my device manager. My system now. So after this start, let's check our device and find biometric option there for my driver. Okay guys, so I just started my system right. Let's head over to our device manager. Drivers code. Let me we just search for device manager if you don't have it. But if you search the the- click so as you can see now I have the biometric device here. That's the fingerprint sensor driver we just download from which website. So this is just how you can easily get software on each and install them. So now let's check our settings. That's so successfully we can manage to add our fingerprint to our signing up. Okay, so as you can see now I can now add up my fingerprint sensor to my sign in option. So that's just how you can easily do this, guys. If you find this video very helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.